Hello everyone, this is an enhancement video for establishing communication between two Arduino Uno boards using ASK modulation technique, the amplitude shift keying modulation technique. So we are going to communicate between these two Arduino boards bidirectionally. So in this bidirectional communication method, in the previous video we were using a balloon transformer here on the power line. This transformer was used to balance both the power lines because the amplitude of this oscillator, the transceiver 1 oscillator and the transceiver 2 oscillator are different. So these two oscillators will never match with each other. As a result, if we connect them directly, there is a chance of coarse saturation in the transformers, either of the transformers. That's why we required a balloon so that we can balance these two these two transformers. The transmission line was balanced using the balloon. But there is a demerit in this process. The demerit is both the oscillators will be running always. We don't need to run both the oscillators always for communication because both the modules will not be communicating together simultaneously, or maybe there will be no communication for a long time. Then after that there may be some communication. So that's why there will be a loss of power if both the oscillators are constantly running. So we don't need to run both the oscillators constantly. That's why it is better not to run these oscillators constantly. For this process or for this approach, we need to shut down the oscillator when it is not required. So in that case, we can couple the transmission line directly also. See here, there is no balloon transformer. I have removed the balloon transformer. You can see the balloon transformer I was using is in my hand now. This was the balloon transformer I was using. So now the balloon transformer I have removed. So you can see here, both the transmission lines are connected directly here. There is no balloon, there is no coupling transformer or the balloon transformer, the balance unbalanced transformer. Okay, so now what I have done. In this video, this is an enhancement video of the previous video. So here I am simply switching off this oscillator when it is not required. Presently, this Arduino Uno is sending data and this Arduino Uno is receiving the data. You can see this Arduino, this is sending the data and this is receiving the data. This transceiver is now busy in sending the data. So what I have done, I have used a triac here. You can see this is a triac. This is BTA12 triac. So this triac, anode A1, A2 terminals are in series with this transformer. So as a result, when I am switching this triac, this transformer is in action. The oscillator is running and the transformer is powered up. And here this transformer is not powered up presently. So at present only this transformer is taking the control of the line because this Arduino Uno is doing the communication. This Arduino Uno is busy in communication, so this transformer is powered up with this LED. You can see this LED is on, this optocoupler is on, this triac is on, and this MOSFET is now on. And the transformer is getting the carrier data. And the transformer is transmitting the carrier data here, and it is demodulated here, and it is, you can see, optically isolated and inverted and finally fed to this Arduino Uno. You can see the receiver. So this is the receiver. The receiver is receiving the data. I have confirmed it. And you can see that the program is in such a way that whatever receiver is receiving, it is sending it back. So here you can see this LED is flashing. You can see this LED is flashing and it is trying to send the data. But since this Arduino Uno is taking control of the line, this data will not reach. This oscillator is presently off. So like this, using a triac, we can control the power line. You can see this transformer, the transformer that is sending data can be controlled using this triac. So you can see this is the transmission line voltage and this is the transmission line frequency and this is the duty cycle of the transformer. So in this video, just I am testing this circuit using a constant signal. So in the next video, I am going to implement some software commands from Arduino Uno that will ensure the bus control. So the bus control signal in the next video I will be enhancing, and it will be sent from the Arduino Uno. So if the transmitter, if this Arduino Uno is supposed to control the bus, this Arduino Uno will activate this triac, and if this Arduino Uno is responsible for controlling the line, transmission line, then this Arduino Uno will activate the triac. So in the next video I am going to make this switch automatically. So presently I am using a hard switching. So in the next video I will be enhancing this circuit, and it will be controlled. This triac will be controlled by the software. Please watch the next video, in which I am going to demonstrate the automatic control of the transmission line. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.